Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have two holiday DIYs to share with you, so please keep watching. The first one was inspired by these Z Gallery canisters. We are going to try to recreate something similar using mostly Dollar Tree items. So here are the items that I'm using. These are a garden dish that I got from the Dollar Tree, and the taller candlestick came from Ross for $2.99. So I'm starting off with the larger canister. So to attach my pieces together, I'm using E6000 and hot glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the first one so you guys can see it. So this is what it looks like, and I'm also applying a little bit of hot glue to the top of the bowl so that when we place the cover, it will stay on. And now we're gonna make that cover. I'm using a doorknob as the handle, and I'm using hot glue to secure that into place. So moving on to the second one, repeating the same steps as we did for the larger canister, and I'm also using E6000 and hot glue. Although it's been said. So that is it. I added some crystals to it, and this is what it turned out to be. It looks really exquisite. I love it. It looks really expensive. You would not know that this is from the Dollar Tree or that the bowls are plastic. And I placed some ornaments into the canister. It turned out to be really beautiful. You can place whatever you want during the holiday in here. You can put some vase fillers in there. Let me know what you guys think about this DIY. I think it turned out to be really beautiful, and I absolutely love it. So let's move on to the second DIY. I'm using this bells that I got from Dollar Tree and this napkin rings. So I'm just taking out the handle, and I have a total of 7 bells that I'm using for this. So what I want to do is create like a tree looking shape with these bells. So I'm using my hot glue to place the napkin rings over the bell, and I'm just going to go ahead and stack all 7 bells until I am done with that. So I'm just repeating the same steps until I'm done with all 7 of my bells. And I added this pearl to the top of that just to cover that hole at the top, and I'm also adding the star to it. I wanted to use this but ended up not doing that, and this is what that looks like. It turned out to be really beautiful. I decided not to add the ribbon just to make it more simple and classic, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. Let me know what you think down in the comment section of both DIYs. Which one was your favorite? I do have some holiday decorating videos coming up, so please make sure you turn on your notification bell, and I also have some DIYs to share with you. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless.